For optimal results when repeating these manifestation affirmations, I want you to visualize them as already being accomplished and received into your life. Engage your emotions and feel what it would be like to be financially free. Imagine how you would act, walk, and talk. Experience the affirmation right here, right now, and for the rest of your life.
Today's sponsor.
This is going to blow your mind. A lamp that syncs with your music? Yes, please. The Govee RGBIC floor lamp is not just any lamp. With millions of color options and 58 dynamic scenes, it's like having a light show in your living room. Control it with your voice or the Govee Home app for ultimate convenience. What's more, it syncs with your music or gaming audio for an immersive experience. Imagine your lamp grooving to your beats during parties or creating a cozy ambiance for movie nights. Plus, its sleek design fits perfectly in any room, adding a touch of modern elegance. Easy to assemble and move around, this lamp is all about making your life brighter and more fun. Ready to transform your home lighting? Get your Govee RGBIC floor lamp today.
Now let's proceed. I am surrounded by infinite sources of wealth and prosperity. I release all limiting beliefs about money and abundance. I am a magnet for financial success and abundance. It's my new belief that my mind is programmed for financial success and abundance. I am financially free and secure. I am grateful and thankful for increasing multiple revenue streams in my life. I am open to receiving money from multiple sources. It's my new belief that I attract financial opportunities with ease. I am always in the right place at the right time to attract money. I am more than capable of creating unlimited wealth and abundance. It's now my new belief my financial success is inevitable. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. I am worthy and deserving of financial freedom and massive abundance. It's my new belief that I am worthy and deserving of financial freedom and massive abundance. I trust the universe to provide me with all the money I need. Wealth and abundance come to me easily and effortlessly today and every day. I am attracting financial prosperity with every breath I take. It's my new belief that I am abundance itself and that I receive as easily as I breathe. It's my new belief that I'm attracting financial prosperity with every breath I take. My unstoppable financial abundance is increasing each and every day. I am so grateful and thankful for all the blessings in my life, no matter how small they are. I am surrounded by infinite sources of wealth and prosperity. I release all limiting beliefs about money and abundance. It's my new belief that my mind is programmed for financial success and abundance. I am financially free and secure. I am grateful and thankful for increasing multiple revenue streams in my life. I am open to receiving money from multiple sources. It's my new belief that I attract financial opportunities with ease. I am always in the right place at the right time to attract money. I am more than capable of creating unlimited wealth and abundance. It's now my new belief my financial success is inevitable. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly in increasing quantities each and every day. I am a money magnet and attract abundance effortlessly. I am open to receiving endless streams of wealth and prosperity. I am living an abundant life and attracting more and more abundance, and it comes to me as easily as I breathe. It's my new belief that the universe is conspiring for me to attract more and more abundance in my life. It's my new belief that money flows to me easily, effortlessly, in increasing quantities and invite massive abundance into my life. I release all limiting beliefs about money and the struggle of money. I attract money and joy easily into my life today and every day. I put my full faith and trust in the universe, source, or God to provide me with unlimited wealth and abundance. I am grateful and thankful for increasing multiple revenue streams in my life. Now show me how abundant my day can get. It's my new belief and practice to focus on all the blessings in my life, no matter how small they are, minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day. It's my new belief that my bank account is overflowing with wealth and abundance. My positive energy attracts positive results and positive financial opportunities. It's my new belief when I am worried about money that I breathe in abundance through my nose aggressively and exhale any fear, uncertainty, and doubt about financial struggle, and just let it go. I am a money magnet for opportunities that bring financial prosperity into my life today and every day. Remember to repeat these affirmations upon bedtime and waking, and with the conviction as if the thing you desired is already received in your life. This will help speed the reprogramming of your subconscious mind and attract more wealth and abundance in your life quicker and easier than ever before. If you found this content helpful, please like, follow, and share with others that you think could use some good vibration therapy. Thanks again for listening, and remember, don't be a victim of your old limiting beliefs, be a master of them.